index finger. No part of the hand of the performer should touch the ruler or stick.
That wasn't the center.
Drop the
Oh. 9.
9.
What ugly 9? It looks like 10. Oh, 0, 1.
Not fair.
Oh, so bad.
What was it? Oh no,
Wala.
it's not even the thumb.
Oh.
Yan kasi.
Ew.
What is that? 7.
7.1. 1.
Baliktad na naman. Tingnan mo to.
Well, wala na. Finish na. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2.5.
Wala. Nasa Google din.
Calculator. Where?
Ay, nako, you guys are gonna laugh at me.
1, 2, 3.
Don't watch me.
1. Diba? 2, 3. Go! She's old school kasi ma. Look. Sabi. Just go. That was disgusting. Okay, so you measure that. Get the, chalk.
Get the meter stick. And chalk.
Your measurements will be inaccurate without that meter stick. Ano yan? 1/2? 1 and 1/2?
1 meter and a half. Wait, let's try it again.
Stay here with me.
How do you jump?
This is how.
It's still like an inch. Make a hexagon on the floor. 24 inches. 120 degrees.
Looks like a house. Look at this.
That's 8.
Whoa, girl.
Stop.
Tig 8.
Yun na, okay na yun. Pwede.
Baliktad eh, tignan mo.
Ano ba yan? As high as you can ata. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ano ba?
8.
6 lang.
6 times lang?
Go. 1,
Dang it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That was easy.
The goal of the physical fitness test is to determine the level of fitness, identify strengths and areas for improvement, identify bases for physical activities, to gather data and analyze data for norms and for standard setting, and lastly, to motivate students in choosing sports activities they would like to participate in. Some of the physical fitness tests include the zipper test, sit and reach, 90-degree push-ups, curl-ups, 40-meter sprint, standing long jump, stork balance test, stick drop test, and hexagon agility test. Physical fitness is prerequisite for skill development and is regarded as an important factor for a good health. Physical fitness testing is a valuable component for it provides evidences of the effectiveness of the physical fitness program and physical education. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something today, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified for the next video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye!